Hi, welcome to another Bedtime and Beyond Learning Kit video. This time we'll be talking about a geared learning clock. Now I'm holding up a white box, so it's not the clock's inside. We open up this white square box and pull out a beautiful, bright, little yellow clock. The yellow clock is a plastic clock and it's an analog clock. It's not a real clock. It is for learning. And it has the numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and back to 12 again. It's a great way to teach about these analog clocks. Even though a lot of people, I know I mostly use my phone as my clock, it's still a really important learning tool for students because they'll find places where they're going to encounter these clocks. And there are things that we have in our vernacular, like, oh, it's that your book is at 3 o'clock, and that means your book is directly to your right. So that type of thing is really helpful to learn. This is a geared learning clock, and that means that on the back, there's a gear, and this little gear just turns around. It can turn either way. The cool thing about this gear is it keeps the minute and hour hand in sync. If we were just to move the minute and hour hands separately, the minute hand would not be exactly where it should be. For instance, at 1, we're going to move back to 12:30. We can see that the hour hand is partway between the 1 and the 12 and the 2, the 12 and the 1. So that's where the geared part really helps. And of course, there's a wildly turning little red fellow, and that is our second hand. Again, this is not a timekeeping device, but a teaching device. And nice thing on the back, in addition to the gear in the back, we also have a little bar that reaches out so your learning clock can sit on a table. And that's our learning clock. Have a great day. Bye-bye.